What's the law in Florida about a rear-end collision? I was talking to somebody in the office the other day about a rear-end collision that they'd been involved in. This person had hit someone from the rear and had gotten the ticket and assumed that there was nothing they could do because of the ticket they had gotten. Well, it turned out that the person ahead of them had stopped on the road suddenly and for no reason. And in that situation, they're not necessarily at fault. Remember that there is a presumption in Florida, and the police always apply this presumption when they roll up to an accident scene, that if a car is moving along and gets hit from the rear, the person that hit them from the rear is presumed to be at fault in causing the accident. But if the car ahead stops for no reason, suddenly, in a place where you wouldn't expect them to stop, that means they're at fault, not the car behind. And there's always going to be issues of, was the car behind following too closely, and there may be a little bit of fault on both sides, but you should not assume necessarily, because you got a ticket in a rear-end accident, that nothing can be done, particularly where you have evidence that the car ahead did not stop for a valid reason or stopped in a place that was totally surprised you, or even did it intentionally, because there's a lot of things you can do in those situations.